Welcome, and thank you for joining me as we explore how veterans can strategically invest in Detroit's real estate market. Drawing from my experience as an Air Force veteran and commercial real estate agent, we'll uncover how to leverage your VA benefits to build lasting wealth while contributing to Detroit's resurgence. This guide is designed to equip you with practical knowledge about the local market, investment opportunities, and veteran-focused funding options. Let's begin turning your military skills into real estate success. Let's outline our journey together. We'll start by examining Metro Detroit's real estate market trends and pricing dynamics to understand the current landscape. Then, we'll dive into Detroit's economic outlook, highlighting factors that influence investment potential. After that, we'll explore funding options tailored specifically for veterans, including VA loan benefits and tax advantages. Next, we'll discuss actionable investment strategies with real-world examples. Finally, we'll wrap up with concrete steps and resources to kickstart your investment path. Looking at Metro Detroit's real estate market, median home prices have risen significantly, now around $106,000, up over 14% year over year. This is a seller's market, meaning demand outpaces supply, creating opportunities for equity growth. For veterans, the key takeaway is affordability compared to national averages, with Detroit's median price well below the national figure. Emerging neighborhoods like Warrendale and East English Village offer early mover advantages, and rental yields often exceed the 1% rule, making cash flow possible from the start. This is a rare chance to enter a growing market with modest capital. Detroit's economy is showing strong signs of revival. Employment rates have jumped from 82 to 93% since 2014, fueled by investments from major players like Ford and Bedrock. Commercial property values remain below national averages, indicating room for appreciation. Population growth in key neighborhoods and a surge in new businesses are driving demand for rental and commercial spaces. For veterans, this means rental demand is solid, especially in multifamily and mixed-use properties near redevelopment hotspots like Michigan Central Station and Eastern Market. This economic momentum supports long-term investment potential. Veterans have access to powerful funding tools that can transform investment possibilities. The VA home loan offers zero down payment and no private mortgage insurance, reducing upfront costs and ongoing expenses. Interest rates are typically lower than conventional loans, and credit requirements are more flexible. Importantly, Virginia loans can be used for 1 to 4 unit properties, allowing you to live in one unit while renting others for cash flow. Beyond loans, programs like HUD-VASH and Michigan property tax exemptions further reduce costs. Grants and SBA veteran business loans also provide additional support, making funding more accessible and affordable. One of the smartest ways to start investing is through house hacking using your VA loan. This means purchasing a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. With no down payment required up to the county loan limit, you can generate rental income that covers most or all of your mortgage. This approach lowers risk by allowing hands-on management and builds equity as tenants help pay down the loan. Neighborhoods like Ferndale, Hamtramck, and East English Village offer attractive properties for this strategy. For example, a duplex in Bagley purchased at $180,000 with zero down can reduce your housing cost dramatically while creating future cash flow. Once you've built equity and experience, commercial real estate opens new doors. Small commercial properties like retail storefronts and office spaces in revitalizing corridors offer growth potential. Mixed-use buildings combining retail and residential units are gaining popularity in neighborhoods like Corktown and West Village. Strategic land banking near major development projects positions you for long-term appreciation. While VA loans don't cover commercial properties, SBA loans and partnerships with veteran investors can help you scale. Detroit's commercial market benefits from lower costs, increasing tenant demand, redevelopment incentives, and opportunity zone tax benefits, making it an attractive next step. Real veterans are already seeing success by applying these strategies. For instance, an Army veteran bought a triplex with a VA loan, living in one unit and renting the others to cover the mortgage while generating extra income. A Navy veteran leveraged equity from house hacking to acquire a mixed-use building with strong monthly revenue. Another Marine Corps veteran partnered with fellow vets to purchase a 12-unit apartment building, creating steady cash flow and shared management. These examples show how military discipline and teamwork translate into effective real estate investing, turning benefits and skills into tangible wealth. To get started, focus on education and preparation by connecting with VA experienced lenders to understand your loan entitlement and pre-approval status. Define your investment goals clearly, whether cash flow, appreciation, or both, and set realistic budgets including reserves. Next, research the market by selecting neighborhoods aligned with your criteria, analyzing rental rates and recent sales, and engaging with local veteran investor communities. Finally, build your team with a knowledgeable real estate agent, reliable contractors, property managers if needed, and banking contacts for future financing. The key is to act now, as Detroit's market is appreciating rapidly and early movers benefit most. Your journey to building wealth through Detroit real estate starts today. You've served your country, and now it's time to let your benefits work for you. Whether you're aiming to house hack your first property or expand into commercial investments, I bring experience as an Air Force veteran and real estate professional to guide you. I'm here to connect you with veteran-friendly lenders, contractors, and property managers to streamline your path. Remember, the discipline and strategic focus you developed in the military are your greatest assets in real estate investing. Reach out to schedule your personalized strategy session, and let's make your investment goals a reality.